Good afternoon, students. So, we will continue with exercise 3.9, question number 6. So, up to 5 questions we have completed, and also in this exercise we have studied properties of triangles, that is law of sines, law of cosines, law of Napier's, then area of a triangle, all those, and still we have 2 more to learn. Okay, now we will see the 6th question. So, given in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 60 degree, then we have to prove that B plus C is equal to 2A cos B minus C by 2. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Now, what is given? Angle A is equal to, so given angle A is equal to 60. So, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Therefore, what about angle B plus angle C? 180 minus 60, which is equal to 120. Okay, B plus C is 120. Now we will take the left hand side. So left hand side is equal to, so what is the left hand side? B plus C. So by sine formula, what is sine formula? B by law of sine. B by sine B is equal to 2R. So what is B? 2R sine B. So similarly, C also we have. Therefore, what is this? We can write this as 2R sine B plus 2R sine C. Okay. So now what is common? 2R is common, take it out. Sine B plus sine C. Then it is of the form 2R write as it is, அப்படியே வச்சுக்காங்க. Sine C plus sine D formula use பண்ணு. So what is it? 2 sine C plus D by 2. அப்போ B plus C by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. அப்போ cos B minus C by 2. So this can be written as 2R, 2 2s are 4. So we can write it as 4R. Okay. So 4R into sine B plus C is 120. அப்போ 120 plus by 2 என்னவாயிருமா? 60 ஆயிருமா? அப்போ sin 60 degree we have got, and cos B minus C by 2. Is it clear? So it is equal to 4R into sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. So keep this as it is. Now take the right hand side. Okay, so this you take it as number 1. So what is the right hand side? 2A cos B minus C by 2. So it is equal to, by law of sine we can write A as 2R sine A into cos B minus C by 2. இப்போ angle A என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு questionல? So this is 4R. Sin A is sin 60 into cos B minus C by 2. 4R into sin 60 is again root 3 by 2 into cos B minus C by 2. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, ரெண்டு சேமா இருக்குதா? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Is it clear? Okay. Now we will go to question number 7. Seventh question, 5 subdivisions are given. We'll see the first subdivision. What is it? We have to prove that in a triangle ABC, we have to prove that A into sine A by 2 plus B is equal to B plus C sine A by 2. Okay, this we have to prove. So now take the left hand side. So left hand side is equal to A sine A by 2 plus B. So this is the left hand side. So now here again by law of sine A and L 2R sine A into sine A by 2 plus B. So it is equal to 2R into, we can write sine A as, okay, sine theta. Formula ஞாபகம் இருக்குதா? Sine theta வை எப்படியும் எழுதலாம். 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. So we write this as 2 sine A by 2 cos A by 2. Okay. Into sine A by 2 plus B. Now, so 2R into 2 will become as 4R and sine A by 2 அப்படியே வச்சுக்குவோம். We'll take cos A by 2 into sine A by 2 plus B. Okay. So here we will use the formula sine A cos B. Okay. Sine A cos B. For sine A cos B, what's the formula? It is equal to 1 by 2 into sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Okay, so this is the formula. So, இதுதான் என்னது? A and this is B. So, what do we have now? So, 1 by 2 into sine A plus B by 2. இப்போ என்ன வரும்? A by 2 plus B plus B by 2 plus sine A minus B. அப்போ A by 2 plus B minus A by 2. So, it is equal to 1 by 2 into, so this is equal to now 4R and this we can cancel, you'll get 2. So 2R sine A by 2 into, this is A by 2, it looks like B, okay, A by 2. So what is it? A by 2 plus A by 2 is 2A by 2. So you get A. So we get sine A plus B plus A by 2 gets cancelled. So sine A minus B. So now this is equal to 2R sine A by 2. So A plus B எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? Sin pi minus C எழுதிடலாமா? Pi is nothing but 180. So sin A minus B. So what is sin 180 minus theta? Or sin pi minus theta? Sin pi minus theta. What is it? Second quadrant. Sin is positive. Pi now 180 even, so it does not change. அப்போ என்னதான் வரும் உனக்கு? Sin theta தான். Okay. So what do we get? Sin C plus sin B. Now again use cosine formula, sorry, sine formula. So 2 r sine a by 2. Sine formula use பண்றோம். What is sine formula? A by sine a is equal to 2r. So what is sine a? What is sine a therefore? A by 2r. Okay, a by 2r. Therefore what is this? C by 2r plus b by 2r. What is the LCM? So it is equal to 2r sine a by 2 into LCM is 2r. So numerator we have b plus c. So this 2r gets cancelled. So it is equal to b plus c into sine a by 2, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence we have proved. Okay. Now we'll go to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, a into cos b plus cos c is equal to 2 into b plus c into sine square a by 2. Okay, take the right hand side now. So what is the right hand side? 2 into b plus c into sine square a by 2. அப்போ sin square a by 2 எப்படி எழுதலாம்? sin a by 2 into sin a by 2 ன்னு எழுதலாமா? Okay, so sin a by 2 into sin a by 2 ன்னு எழுதுறோம். sin square இருக்கிறதுனால. Now from the first result, what is the first one? B plus c into sin a by 2 is equal to 2 sin a by 2 plus b. From result 1. So this can be written as, so only this is replaced from 1. Okay. So what we get? 2 b plus c sin a by 2 வந்து என்ன எழுதிறோம்? a sin a by 2 plus b into sin a by 2. Okay. So now this is equal to, what is it? So we get it is equal to 2a into sin a sin b we are going to use now. So what is sin a sin b? Sin a sin b is equal to 1 by 2 into cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. So this result we are going to use now. Okay. So what do we get? Upper 2a into, what do we get here? Sin a plus b, or yeah, anything we can take. So this either a எடுத்துக்க, this one you take it as b. Okay, this you take it as a, and this either a either b ன்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா, what do we get? 1 by 2 into cos a minus b. So a by 2 plus b minus a by 2 minus cos a plus b. So a by 2 plus b plus a by 2. So it is equal to 2 gets cancelled. அப்போ a வந்துரும். Cos a by 2 gets cancelled. அப்போ cos b minus cos a plus b வந்துருமா? a by 2 plus a by 2 will give you a. இல்லையா? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1. So a by 2 plus a by 2 will give you a. For cos A minus cos A plus B. So now this can be written as A into cos B minus cos 180 minus C or pi minus C. So what is 180 cos 180 minus C? Cos pi minus theta. What is cos pi minus theta? Second quadrant. So minus. Cos is minus. And 180 இன்றதுனால cos அப்படியே இருக்கும். So minus cos theta. Okay. Minus cos theta. So what do you get? Minus cos C we get. Minus. இங்கு ஒரு minus இருக்கு. So it will become as plus, which is equal to the right hand side. Okay, hence it is proved. Then we'll go to the third subdivision. Third one, a square minus c square by b square is equal to sin a minus c by sin a plus c. Okay, this is what we have to prove. Now take the left hand side. A square minus c square by b square. So from sin formula, what is A? A is 2r sin A. Appo A square 4r square sin square A. Appo similarly C square 4r square sin square C divided by b square 4r square sin square b. Okay, by sin formula we have written this. So what is common in the numerator? 4r is r square is common, so it can be taken out. So we get sin square A minus sin square C by sin square B. Now this is equal to 4r square into numerator is nothing but sin A plus C into sin A minus C. Sin A plus C into sin A minus C, because we have from exercise 3.4, this is a problem we have done. Sin square A minus sin square B can be written as sin A plus B into sin A minus B. Okay, so from this, using this only we are writing. So this result is taken from that exercise, divided by sin square B can be written as pi minus A plus C. Okay. So what is this now? So denominator also we have 4r. Yeah, 4r square in the denominator also. So 4r square will get cancelled. So we can remove this 4r square. So it is equal to sin A plus C into sin A minus C by sin square pi minus A plus C. So now we have seen sin pi minus theta is what? And we should also know that sin square theta means it is nothing but sin theta the whole square. Okay. அப்போ இதை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? டினாமினேட்டரை எப்படி எழுதலாம்? டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டர் அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். sin A plus C into sin A minus C. Denominator will become as sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. No? Sin 180 minus theta is sin theta. So sin A plus C the whole square. அப்போ ஒரு sin A plus C cancel ஆயிருமா? அப்போ cancel ஆயிடுச்சுனாக்க what we get? So one term gets cancelled. So we have sine A minus C divided by sine A plus C, which is equal to the right hand side. Hence it is proved. Okay. Then we will do the fourth subdivision. Fourth one, A into sine B minus C by B square minus C square is equal to B into sine C minus A by C square minus A square is equal to C sine A minus B by A square minus B square. Okay. So now consider the first term alone. So what is it? A into sine B minus C divided by B square minus C square. Okay, we'll consider this. So this is nothing but A can be written as 2R sine A. அடுத்தது sine B minus C divided by B square minus C square. B square is what? 2R the whole square. அப்போ 4R square எழுதிடலாமா direct? 4R square. 4R square sine square B minus 4R square sine square C. So it is equal to 2R sine A. Okay, A எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Sine pi minus B plus C ன்னு எழுதிடலாமா? B plus C into sine B minus C is going slanting. Okay, so it is equal to 2R sine A எப்படி எழுதுறோம்? 180 minus B plus C ன்னு எழுதுறோம் into sine B minus C divided by 4R square is common. So take 4R square out. 4R square into sine square B minus C. Now 2 goes here 2 times or R cancel iron. So you will get 1 by 2R into sine pi minus theta is sine theta. Appo what is it? Sine B plus C into sine B minus C by sine square B minus sine square C. Now what about the numerator? As we have used already from exercise 3.4 that question, we can also write this as numerator எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Sin square B minus sin square C ன்னு எழுதிடலாமா? And denominator is also sin square B minus sin square C. Both will get cancelled. So you will get it is equal to 1 by 2R. So similarly, we can also prove that B into sine C minus A by C square minus A square is equal to C into sine A minus B by A square minus B square is equal to 1 by 2R. Okay, similarly you can prove it. So hence it is proved. Okay, now fifth subdivision, you can take it for homework. Fifth subdivision is a very simple one. I'll tell you how to do it. Okay, you have to do this for homework. Very simple. So what is it? A plus B, left hand side enna kuduthirukkude? A plus B by A minus B kuduthirukkuda? Use sine formula. Okay, sine law of sine. என்னது? A is a என்ன எழுதுவோம் 2r sin a எழுதுவோமா அப்போ b வந்து 2r sin b. then Napier's formula எப்படி போட்டிருக்கோமோ அதே மாதிரி போடுங்கம்மா. okay, how we have proved Napier's formula. okay, numeratorல 2r cancel ஆயிரும், numerator and denominator 2r common இருக்கும். then sin c plus sin d in the numerator, sin c minus sin d in the denominator நீ எடுத்தனா you will be able to do the fifth subdivision. so you can take it for homework. okay, then coming to eighth question. Eighth question also you can do it for homework. what is given? a square minus b square plus c square into tan b is equal to a square plus b square minus c square into tan c. This is given. So this we can write it as எப்படி எழுதிடலாம் tan b by tan c. tan c left hand side கொண்டு வரோம், denominator போயிடும். then a square plus b square minus c square by a square minus b square plus c square. okay, இத மாதிரி எழுதுறோம். is it clear? இதை எழுதிட்டு then for tan b is what? sin b by cos b. take the left hand side. okay, and tan c is what? sin c by cos c. now you use sine and cosine formula. okay, sin b இருக்கு, cos b இருக்கு, you know cosine formula and also law of sine. ரெண்டையும் யூஸ் பண்ணி முடிச்சிங்கன்னா you will get the answer. so eighth question also you can do it for homework. is it clear? okay, now coming to the last question, that is the 11th one. so 11th question, derive projection formula from, first one is law of sines. okay, we have to derive projection formula. derive projection formula. derive projection formula from law of sines. okay, what is projection formula? அப்போ to prove வந்து என்னது, நம்ம என்ன prove பண்ணணும்? a is equal to b cos c plus c cos a, c cos b. okay, ஞாபகம் இருக்கா projection formula? how I have told you to remember, left hand side la a இருந்துச்சுனா right hand side la a வரவே வராது. then small letter b இருந்துச்சுனா cos angle c ஆ இருக்கும். okay, அது மாதிரி c இருந்துச்சுனா cos b. now we have to prove this. okay, இத prove பண்ணனும். எதை வச்சு prove பண்ணனும்? law of sine வச்சு prove பண்ணனும். so take the right hand side. அப்ப right hand side ல cosine law of sine யூஸ் பண்ணுங்க. b எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? 2r sin b எழுதிடலாமா? 2r sin b cos c plus c எப்படி எழுதிடலாம்? 2r sin c into cos b. okay, now it is equal to 2r is common. we have sin b cos c plus sin c cos b. இப்போ இது பார்த்தோன்னா என்ன ஞாபகம் வருதுமா? what do you remember? sin a plus b formula ஞாபகம் வருதா? what is sin a plus b? sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. no, so this formula. so therefore what do we have? so it is equal to 2r into sin b plus c னு எழுதிடலாமா? so 2r into sin b plus c, that is 2r into sin pi minus a1. and what is sin pi minus a? sin theta, that is sin a. so what is it? 2r sin a is equal to a, which is the left hand side. hence we have proved the projection formula. Second one is law of sines. So from law of cosines, we have to prove the projection formula. Okay. So again, what do we have to prove? A is equal to B cos C plus C cos B we have to prove. So here also you take the right hand side. So it is equal to B into cos C by cosine formula. What is cos C? B square plus A square minus C square by 2AB plus C into A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. So here B will get cancelled. Inga C poirum. Appo LCM enadhu 2A. So denominator what we have? B square plus A square minus C square plus A square plus C square minus B square. So it is equal to nalla cancel agudhu minus B square plus B square and okay plus C square and minus C square gets cancelled. So what is remaining? 2A square by 2A irukkuda. 2A square by 2A which is equal to A, which is the left hand side. Hence we have proved. Okay, hence it is proved. Now I'll give you a creative question. So creative question is based on example 3.58. Okay, a creative question. It is similar to that of example 5.38. Okay, so you try this. So this is the question. In triangle ABC, prove that sine B minus C by 2, cos B minus C by 2, cos B minus C by 2 is equal to B plus C by A sine A by 2. Okay. So you try this problem. It is similar to that of example 3.58. So try this, children. It was once asked for in the exam. Okay. Thank you, students.